Dear students, welcome to back my channel. Today I am explaining you about nitrogen cycle. So in nitrogen cycle, process by which nitrogen element is circulated continuously in the living and non-living component of the biosphere is called nitrogen cycle. The process of conversion of free nitrogen gas into its usable compound of nitrogen is called nitrogen fixation. Okay, so first step is nitrogen fixation. Atmospheric nitrogen, this is atmospheric nitrogen gas is converted into nitrogen compound like nitrates. This process is called nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen is converted into nitrates. This process is called nitrogen fixation. So nitrogen fixation is, there are three process. First, atmospheric fixation, next industrial fixation, and next biological fixation. So in atmospheric fixation, this one, so there are nitrogen and oxygen during lightning sky. The atmospheric nitrogen during lightning in the sky, atmospheric nitrogen and oxygen combines to form nitric oxide. This oxide gets absorbed in rainwater and fall to earth and pass down to soil um, of water. They combine with other salts to form nitrates in the soil. This one, atmospheric in lightning, nitrogen oxygen nitrates form in soil rainwater. They converted into nitrates. This is called atmospheric fixation of nitrogen. Okay, next, industrial fixation. In industrial fixation, there are nitrogen is converted into usable compounds such as ammonia in soil, urea, etc. Ammonia and urea in etc. Next, biological fixation. In biological fixation, there are the nitrogen present in atmosphere can be converted compound which can be used by plants by the action of certain bacteria and algae. Certain bacteria and algae, ammonia on the soil. The bacteria, there are called rhizobium bacteria. Rhizobium bacteria present in the root nodules of leguminous plants fix atmospheric nitrogen. Non-leguminous plant Alnus ginkgo also fix atmospheric nitrogen. The plant absorbs the nitrogen compound like nitrates from the soil and water converted into organic compound. The process of conversion of inorganic compound into organic compound that become a part of living organism is called nitrogen assimilation. Okay, this is called nitrogen assimilation. Biological fixation of nitrogen, ammonification by the green plant. Okay, absorption of root plant, animal protoplasm, ammonia and shoal. The animal um, obtain plant protein directly and indirectly from the plants. Animal get direct and directly from the plants. The by the eaten by the food. When the plants and animals die, the purifying bacteria, fungi present in the soil called decomposer. They decompose the protein of dead animals and plants into ammonia in the soil. Ammonia in the soil. Okay. The purifying bacteria, fungi present in soil process is conversion of complex organic compound like protein into ammonia is called ammonification. Okay, protein is converted into ammonia. This is called ammonification. The microorganism first hydrolyze protein into amino acid. Next, ammonia formed in the soil. This is oxidized by certain microorganisms and nitrate. The process of conversion of ammonia into nitrites. Ammonia into nitrites. This process is called nitrification. This process is converted by bacteria Nitrosomonas and Nitrobacter. two type of bacteria. The second step, ammonia, the nitrates converted into nitrates in the soil by the action of nitrobacter bacteria. The process of nitrobacter bacteria. The nitrates in the soil are converted into nitrogen by nitrifying bacteria. This process is convert nitrous salt present the soil form nitrogen gas is called denitrification. Nitrates converted to atmospheric nitrogen. This is called denitrification. The free nitrogen escapes back into the atmosphere. The this atmosphere back into the atmosphere nitrogen. This is process is called repeated and repeated. This is called nitrogen cycle. Okay, thanks for watching video.